Ciamis Regency is one of the regencies located in the southeastern part of West Java province. Most of the regency of Ciamis is in the form of mountains and plateaus except at the border with southern Central Java. Since there is an expansion of Pangandaran Regency, currently the Ciamis Regency has no coastline. The wide area of Ciamis Regency creates a variety of diversity ranging from culture, art, tourism, and culinary. One of the tourist destinations in Ciamis is the Lengkong Panjalu, Curug Tujuh Cibolang, Sawal Mountain, and many more tours in Ciamis Regency. Ciamis Regency, which was once a kingdom called the Kingdom of Galuh Pakuan, left a lot of historic relics. Lots of historic relics that still have not been relevant. Thus, let's look for any place that is still a mystery in the district of Ciamis. Check it out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Okay, I'm Wildan Taufiqurrahman, a student of the Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Djati Bandung, a participant of an F grade English course with a lecturer Mr.Laode Arif Nugraha. I come from Ciamis Regency, precisely village Ujung Tibu, Panjalu district. Okay guys, on this occasion I am going to tell about a place that supposedly say this place has an extraordinary history, but the truth has not been relevant. Are you serious about what place I am going to talk about? Therefore, let's watch the following show.
On this occasion, I will explore a historical heritage, the Batu Panjang cultural site located in the mountain of Jahim, which is right on the border between Ciamis Regency and Majalengka Regency. Batu Panjang Jahim is located in the Cimara, Ciberem village, Sukamantri district, Ciamis, including Kabuyutan, which is located in the northernmost of Ciamis Regency, because about 200 meters to the north there is a temple west of Ciamis and Majalengka district. Therefore, this site is often also considered to enter the Majalengka Regency. The key person at the moment is Ki Salahuddin. His house is in the same village. Kabuyutan Batu Panjang is at an altitude of around 118 meters above sea level. The location is right on the edge of village crossing road, which is quite crowded by motorized vehicles because it is an alternative road that connects the two districts. Kabuyutan Batu Panjang characteristics can be seen from the loose forest trees that are still left between the dominance of pine trees, making it easy to recognize. The beauty of nature is felt when you will enter the pine forest area. But from the direction of Majalengka and Ciamis, a wide panorama will unfold. In the north, Ngemplang Lega Cikijing and surrounding areas. From the south stretches the rice fields of Sukamantri and part of Panjalu. The existence of the Batu Panjang site has long been known among the surrounding community. The extent of about 500 square meters in the Madati Mountains region. For some people, this mountain is also called Mountain Bitung because it is related to the existence of the Mountain Bitung site, which is a few kilometers to the east, namely in the village of Wangklang, Pawijen village, Cingambu district, Majalengka. Mountain Bitung has been known as a historical site of classical religion associated with the kingdom of Sunda Galuh Kawali. Some literature, especially the Rajya Bumi Nusantara literature manuscript, state that Mountain Bitung is the forerunner to the kingdom of Talaga. While the Batu Panjang Jahim site is not widely known, let alone its historical content, though this site is said to have been researched, but the result of his research to date have not been spread among the public. So, Batu Panjang is still a worthy mystery to continue to study and research. Basically, what can be seen in this regency is a collection of large andesite stones with a long dominant form. His position was standing erect and collapsed transversely, almost irregularly. These long stones lay behind the naming of Kabuyutan. The main rock cultures of this site area located in the hillside in the direction of the northeast-southwest. The width of the basin is about 8 meters and the length is about 30 meters uphill. The tip of the hill that leads to the east is the descending part, as well as the gate facing the asphalt road, while the western part is the slope to the top of the hill. At the entrance of the site, there is a group of long stones that are laying on top. This stone is called the community as a kendang stone because it resembles a musical instrument drum. In fact, the distribution of long and large stones look quite a lot in the surrounding area. It seems if the slope of the hill is built, it will be composed of rock like that. According to Mr. Shahidin, a caretaker who has been in charge of 20 years, his carried area in the south is marked by a special group of stones. This special feature is a stone that stands tall as high as approximately 117 centimeters. This stone is surrounded by other long stones with collapsed or standing position with lower position. Nearby grew a cap tree not far from the two stones. There is a stone that is also severed because there are 5 small concave walls in the wall which are considered by local people as footprints of Maung. Mark stones tapak is about 80 centimeters high and 50 centimeters in diameter, shaped like a trunk of a tree. While the distribution of other stones that spread downward toward the northeast also lie conditioned to form a kind of order. Even though it might seem disheveled, some stone arrangements imply a certain message, like for example, a large stone that stands upright on the left and right as if a mace entered the main area. There is also an upright stone that is surrounded by a smaller collection of stones and stone pairs that stand sidewise, and the ends are linked together to form a triangle shape. But in my opinion, some of the stones positioned above are not the original formation.
Alright guys, that's an explanation of the Longstone culture site in the district Ciamis. Lest we as young people forget the history of our nation, because it's the wealth that we have. So, maneuvering for me, apologies for the mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.